present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense combines the ideas of the present perfect and the present continuous. The present perfect continuous focuses on the continuation of an activity from the past to the present. Example, I have been waiting for Rohan since 3 o'clock. I started waiting at 3 o'clock and am still waiting. They have been attending the event every year from 1980. They started attending the event in 1980 and still attend it every year. Past में भी and present में भी वह continue है. The present perfect continuous is formed in this way. Rules. Subject, फिर has have, has singular के साथ, have plural के साथ, been प्लस वर्ब में ing, वर्ब में ing ऐड कर देते हैं, ing फॉर्म ऑफ द मेन वर्ब. Teresa has been keeping ill. Has been वर्ब में ing. Teresa has been keeping ill. We have been trying to find a way out from here. Have been trying. प्लूरल के साथ में have, सिंगुलर के साथ में has. Been वर्ब में ing. Clear? And now exercise J. Complete the following sentences using the present perfect continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. The Suraj has been complaining about the noise from his neighbor's flat. Complain. The has been complaining. I have been typing my assignment since morning. The young man has been follow. The young man has been following me from the railway station. India's shooters have been winning medals in this category over the years. Have been winning. My aunt has been teaching little children of this housing complex for many years. Teach. Has been teaching. David has been preparing for the entrance exam for several months. Prepare. सिंगुलर के साथ में has, प्लूरल के साथ में have. तो सिंगुलर David has been preparing. This man has been selling food grains at a very high price. Sell. तो has been selling. Design. Mr. Iyer has been designing posters for our company. Tom has been painting the fence for a very long time. Paint. And now exercise K. Join the following pairs of sentences to form single sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. ये 2 sentences दिए गए हैं, इनको आपको ज्वाइन करना है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. एक सिंगल सेंटेंस बनाना है. एक्सरसाइज के आई हैव फर्स्ट है इसमें आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग पियानो एट द एज ऑफ 5. एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस आई स्टिल कंटिन्यू विद द लेसन्स. तो आंसर है आई हैव बीन लर्निंग पियानो सिंस आई वॉज 5 years old. Second, it started raining yesterday. It's still raining. It has been raining since yesterday. Third, I got the best student award last year and the year before that I got it this year too. I have been getting the best student award for the last 3 years. Fourth, Anush has been visiting his grandparents once in a year. People have been worshipping in this temple for 400 years. We have been trying to contact you several times since past few days. तो ये जो 2 सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं उसमें एक सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में लिखा गया है.